Want to create a new style intro using your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to make a news intro in CapCut. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the template. Then, search News Intro Opening. Now scroll through the results and tap a template to preview it. Look for one that has a classic news look, like using red, black, and white with bold fonts and geometric shapes, like globes or lines. Then, it has a space for placing your company logo. Once you find one you like, tap the Use Template button. Then, the template will ask you to select media, like your logo or a short video clip, or edit the text. Then, edit as you want. After editing, finally export the video. Hope you learned how to create a news intro in CapCut using iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye!